Hello, everyone. This is Deborah Work from the Voice of Addis Foundation for Community Health, a nonprofit that aims to educate blind children and adults and fighting blindness in Ethiopia. Today, I'm so happy to share with you that our 2025 mission trip is on the way. Toward the end of April, I'm heading to Ethiopia, bringing the necessary supplies for our students. Those includes white canes, braille materials, and also for those visually low vision glass supplies. We are very excited about to celebrate the high school graduation for four students. Those are a proud moment for everyone associated with Addis Foundation and the educators, everyone, because this is a big milestone for the students to strive and overcome obstacles and finish high schools. So we are celebrating that as well as we travel, as I go for this mission trip. For the trip, we are looking for your support, looking for financial donations for eyeglasses for patients who need glasses and who can't afford. For the students with visually impaired, we need guiding cane and clothing materials, Perkins materials, braille materials, and clothing. We also need a shipment cost. So there is a lot entails in one mission trip. One thing I want to remind our supporter is that it is our policy, it is Addis Foundation's policy that all the travel cost of the person who's volunteering to travel for the mission, they cover the cost of airfare, ground airfare or ground airfare, whatever, ground transportation and any other costs. It's totally, the volunteer covers their own cost. That means your donation 100% goes to the program we told you we're going to do. When I come back, I hope to bring you a wonderful, professionally made. Hopefully, if we get the resource, we want to have a professionally made photographs and videographs. And I can't wait to show you that. So we thank you very much. We are asking for your support. You can go to our website. You can scan the barcode here and giving us anything, any amount matters. Thank you for your kindness. On behalf of Addis Foundation, I really appreciate you. So please help with እነዚህን ያማሩ እንደ ኮከብ የሚያበሩ ልጆች ቆንጆ ጎበዝ ልጆች አስተምረን እንደዚህ ዛሬ 4 እንደምናስመርቀው ሁሉንም አስመርቀን ደግሞ ለማየት እንዲያበቃን የሁላችንም ጥረት ይቀጥል። እናመሰግናለን። ደብረ ወርቅ ዳምጤ ከአዲስ ፋውንዴሽን የፕሮግራሙ መሪ ነኝ። አመሰግናለሁ። Thank you.